Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I got the Blizzard of the month here. Mocha Oreo Blizzard. Ooh. Can you give me some napkins?
No.
Get me some napkins, please.
Over there.
What, you're too busy eating yours?
Mm-hmm.
Of course. Wait. Okay. Okay.
You're just kind of what?
And now it's kind of melty, but this is what it looks like. It's the Blizzard of the month. Mocha Oreo chocolate ice blizzard here. So let's try this. What it looks like.
Catherine, what do you think of Allie's boyfriend?
Are they dating?
Huh? Okay.
Thank God it's always home.
Very, you can definitely taste the,
He is always wrong. He's in love with Allie.
that's the chocolate chunk. Not a big fan of the chocolate chunk, but
This is all because you're on the reviews.
I am actually kind of digging this. Tried this before. Didn't really like it, but now I'm digging it.
Well, that, whatever you just said is not going to be on YouTube.
Oh yeah, it will.
You got wine, Mom?
Yeah, who's the best?
Do I have one? What kind of question is that?
You have a red out.
Who thinks the best person in the family? Me.
Best person in the family?
I'm definitely Bonnie's favorite.
Well, those are two different questions.
Of course you are. Catherine's the one that wanted Bonnie from the start.
No, it's, I'm going to make another shot. Oh yeah, we're going to eat here tomorrow. We've got a few things out. What?
Yeah, so,
No.
very, crunchy. Still got the crunch in there. A little, like,
Hey, girl, and look at our dog.
a lot less artificial than the, like, chocolate one, but you can definitely taste the, crunch in it. And also the chocolate, which I'm not a big fan of, but
We're going to get up and make a couple things. We're going to go to
but yeah.
gobble, gobble, gobble.
No offense.
You what?
Nobody's in New Jersey.
No, we're
You
all.
can't go back again, Catherine. No offense.
What do you mean? Why?
I like our tradition.
What's it like out? Can I sit outside?
Yeah. So this is some more.
No, you can't. I'm not allowing it.
So, now I'm reviewing it. You can definitely taste the coffee in it. It tastes a lot more natural than the mint. Like you can literally see the dye in it, but that's that. But I have to give this maybe a 9.4.
So what's the movie you always wanted me to go? We don't have stars, or we don't have. What's the one you're always looking for?
On my review end. What's the movie, Dad?
Is there a way to on demand on my TV?
Eat hard, my homie.